Welcome to the learning resource on setting up mini flour mill as a small business. I am Sanjay Nigam, Assistant Director, Ministry of MSME, Government of India at Karnal, Haryana. In this, we will learn introductions and basic concepts of a micro or small scale flour mill business with an aim to set up a flour mill by a small entrepreneurs. Flour mill are among the most traditional units taking into consideration the local needs and market requirement. Flour mills can be established at different levels: domestic flour mill, commercial flour mills, bakery, mini flour mills, and roller flour mill. The most useful out of these flour mills is the flour mill on commercial levels, because not only can these be established at a lower cost but is versatile as well, since flour can be obtained from it for commercial purposes and it can also take up job work. Flour mill process. Milling is process by which wheat is ground into flour. During milling, wheat grains convert into bran, germ and endosperm. The process involved: number 1, cleaning; second, washing; third, drying; fourth, micronizing; fifth, flour; sixth, packing. Now we will explain milling process in details. Number 1, cleaning. Wheat is first cleaned thoroughly to remove dust, stone and other foreign matters. Second step, washing. Washing is important but small units are not required. Usually people are getting clean wheat in their home. Third step, drying. Usually mini flour mills owners are drying wheat with the help of sun. Fourth step, micronizing. Micronizing is a process of making fine and coarse flour as per customers' requirement. Fifth process, flour. When grinding completes, we can collect in the bags. Sixth process, packing. Packing can be done in small bags. Now we explain technical parts. Now we will give some input on machinery and equipments required for mini flour mill. Depending upon investment, you can select the equipments. Number 1, 18 to 22-inch mill, 10 to 15 HP motor with starter, electronic weighing balance, 100 kg capacity. Now we learn how to set up small mini flour mill. The next step is business plan. In this business plan, first step is market survey. Whole wheat flour is used in making chapatis, puris, parotha and other roasted cereal based products. Wheat flour or maida is a basic raw material for making bread, biscuits, cakes and other bakery products. The products sold under brand names are very few. The concept for branded cereal flour products is now increasing. There is a scope for establishing flour mills in all important populated areas. It is found that many people go to flour mill to get flour produced on job work basis. Second step is project profile. Basically, project profile will be prepared by any experts. In project profile contains number 1 land and buildings, second machinery and equipments. Now next step comes working capital. Working capital contains 4 stages. Number 1 salary and wages, second raw material, third utilities, fourth other expenses, which we are telling contingencies. Next step is under the business plan, that is obtain quotations from machinery suppliers. Machinery suppliers are available locally. Next step, choose your enterprise, that is a name of enterprise. Next step, your enterprise mini flour mill, it will be registered under DIC, District Industry Center, at district level. Next step, obtain PAN number. It is very important for PAN number for getting the loan from banks as well as for submitting income tax informations in income tax department. Apart from there, PAN is also helping for getting CC limit from banks. Next step, open a current account in banks. Next step is registration for VAT or sales tax. It helps while flour mill is packing small pouches, that is a 2 kg, 5 kg or 10 kgs. Next step, Shops and Establishment Act if required. Next step, no objection certificates from Pollution Control Board. It helps for mini flour mill. Next step, TAN. TAN is a very important part for selling the goods. Next step, file entrepreneurial memorandum at DIC, at district industry centers. Again we have to learn state specific guidelines. Every state is having separate guidelines for mini flour mill. Next, sanction for power connections. Next step, registration with employee state insurance scheme if required. Next steps, employee provident fund. The next step is a very important part for certifications of wheat flour. As per new Act, Food Safety Standard Act, mini flour unit holder must obtain food safety license. The barcode is also very important part for selling the goods. Again, one certification is also important for fine flour mill, that is a ISO 22000. Basically, raw material for the flour mill is wheat, and if you are doing the packaging of the flour, the packing material is also required. You can buy raw wheat The customers also bring their wheat to flour mill for grinding. You will be charging the customers for grinding the wheat. Normally, it is a cash business. In this flour mill unit, market or sales promotions is a very important part. Central or state government departments are supporting for promotional of flour product. Last, it is a very important part for quality. Quality standards and quality assurance laid down by the Bureau of Indian Standards, that is the IS 1155 1968 for wheat atta, IS 1009 1009 1979 for maida, IS 1010 1968 for suji or rava. Safety measures. During the grinding process, workers must ensure for safety. Since flour mill consists of heavy mechanical and electrical equipments, good safety practice should be adopted. Safety precaution while loading, unloading of wheat and flour or other raw material will protect the worker from any accident. Use of quality electrical cables and fitting, routine maintenance and changing of worn out parts are some suggestions. Thank you.